Okay, so here I am. It's still October 9th, and I'm here in Chula Vista. I just live across the valley here. Here is Sweetwater Authority's water tower, and here is one. That's not a tree. That's a mast cell tower, and here's another one. Now, one of these, I don't know exactly which. One is American Tower. The anagram for that is New Crematoria, and then one is Verizon. So this might be the Verizon one. But on this water tower, and I'm going to go up around the hill, and I'm going to make it quick because I really don't like the EMFs, the microwaves that are coming from these towers. So I'm going to go up and see if I can see the actual cells that they put on the towers. If they do it here, I know they do it another water tower across the way. So I'm going to go up the hill. Okay, so here's another view, a little closer. But do you notice how close these cells are to the drinking water in this tower? So I wonder how healthy is that for that water and for us, basically. Okay, and here's one more tower there. And I feel my heart rate increase. And my breathing is increasing. But anyhow, this is who they are over. Let me just show you. So all these people, there's a graveyard, and I'm telling you, they are clearing it out. They have got to clear it out for a lot more guests. But there's a lot of people down here below here. There's downtown San Diego, beautiful clear skies there, huh? Anyhow, right along our water at our drinking tower. It's ridiculous. And we have one more. There's one more. So there are 4 towers right near our drinking water. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all cell towers. This is ridiculous. I am probably getting so nailed right now, but I do have my EMF hat on, but still. This is crazy. And then here's some more, right on our drinking water tower. And there's a Yu-Gi-Oh! I think it's called Yugo or Yu-Gi-Oh! So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna get down the hill because I can tell I'm breathing hard, and this was not that high of a hill that I should be breathing this hard. So this is crazy. Anyhow, this is who they're literally zapping. Okay, last time I came here and I tried to do this, I got some really good footage, and when I got home, there was zero footage on my camera. That's why I'm coming up here and doing it again. So anyhow, you know, and I moved here in 2000, and I didn't know I did not know enough to look, to know or wonder what these were. I thought from far away they were trees. 3 years later, after moving to my house, I get a stage 4 cancer. So I don't think this is that healthy for people. All right. So we're gonna leave. I'm gonna take a picture of this because this is it's just so disturbing. Right on your water, your drinking water. Okay, guys. I hope that this video comes out. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, just one more thing before I get down the rest of the hill. I also feel a pulsing in my teeth. Like I feel blood heartbeat in my teeth right now. I don't get that. I don't get that when I go for my walks. I don't get that if I run. I don't get that feeling. And I get that right here. So, and there's like a weird metallic-y taste in my mouth. So anyhow, I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. And there's a school right next door. So what do you think? Your kids playing in the yard, in the schoolyard? And then you turn across the street here, just across the street, and there's the cell towers on the school kids. Okay, so here is Verizon Wireless. Moon View, how do you like that? Moon View, 400 Moon View Drive, Chula Vista, 91910. And the emergency contact is 1-800-264-6620. They got 3 6s in there. They love their little numerology. So it's Moon View and Windrose Way. And crows, and you know what they call crows? It's a murder of crows is their flock. That's kind of freaky. Okay, so I took my dog, finished a little walk with her, but just around the corner from where I was, around the corner from that elementary school, here is the cell tower right there. You see that? That's really unhealthy. Okay.